Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll be journeying through time to explore the evolution of communication technology from its rudimentary beginnings to the mobile-first world we live in today. You'll learn about the key milestones that have shaped our world of communication and how these developments have revolutionized the maintenance and operations industry. We'll also look into the future, giving you insights into emerging technologies like the Internet of Things and virtual and augmented reality that will shape the future of maintenance management. So, get ready to embark on a journey of discovery. Let's take a journey through time and explore the evolution of technology in communication. We'll see how we've gone from technology-free communication to a world that's mobile-first. In the mid-1800s, the invention of the telegraph and the telephone revolutionized communication, making it faster than ever before. This was just the beginning. By 1920, we had radio and television broadcasts and the discovery of fiber optics. Fast forward to 1936, and the first programmable computer was invented, followed soon by the personal computer. This was a game changer. As microprocessing speeds increased, computers became smaller, cheaper, and more powerful. By 1973, we had the first cell phone. The last 50 years have seen an incredible acceleration in communications technology. Email communications started in 1971, primarily used within the government and later at colleges and universities. The 1980s saw the rise of cell phones and the internet arrived in the 1990s. By the end of the millennium, the internet and the web were part of everyday vocabulary, and businesses worldwide were scrambling to take advantage of the potential opportunities. Fast forward to 2004, and Wi-Fi was becoming more popular. In 2007, the first iPhone was released, opening up a new world of possibilities. This period saw a significant shift in the business arena. Large companies started moving away from legacy computer systems, and software systems such as enterprise resource planning and CMMS took center stage. However, most of the computing power still resided at headquarters, with off-site tasks often manually recorded and later entered into the centralized system. The gap was bridged with mobile-first solutions, integrating handheld electronic devices with centralized systems. This powerful technology gave management teams real-time data visibility across critical aspects of their operations, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, rising profits, and smarter decisions. Now let's look to the future. Technological development is not slowing down. We're seeing continued automation, artificial intelligence, robotics, and more connectivity. Two developments in particular will significantly impact maintenance management: the Internet of Things and virtual and augmented reality. The Internet of Things connects a wide variety of smart technologies to improve the efficiency and monitoring of equipment or systems. This is particularly beneficial for industries heavily impacted by equipment downtime and asset failure. For instance, in the mining industry, sensors can be installed on trucks to monitor and report on speed, temperature, vibration, and mileage. This data can be analyzed, and predictive maintenance tasks can be scheduled before a truck breaks down. This not only reduces labor costs, but protects people from life-threatening mining accidents. Virtual and augmented reality technology also carries incredible potential for the maintenance sector. Maintenance technicians can be trained to work on expensive equipment using virtual reality tools instead of actual assets. Augmented reality can provide information like safety specs and maintenance history for a particular asset, overlaid on the actual piece of equipment. This information allows critical information to be available at the fingertips of every maintenance technician beginning a new task, increasing efficiency and speed and reducing accidents and errors. The connection between maintenance and technology is solid. The key to improving your maintenance operations now has everything to do with whether you can take advantage of the latest developments to reach world-class performance standards. Technology will continue to play a major role in this transformation, providing higher quality data, performing complex analysis, and delivering information to help tomorrow's business executives to make even smarter business decisions. So, let's embrace the future and make the most of the technology at our disposal. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolution of communication technology and its impact on the maintenance and operations industry. We've explored key milestones, the rise of mobile-first solutions, and the future potential of the Internet of Things and virtual and augmented reality. Remember, the key to improving your maintenance operations lies in leveraging these technological advancements. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your business, visit us at upkeep.com.